Today's message is taken from Micah chapter 5 verses 1 to 4. Micah chapter 5 verses 1 to 4. During the season of Advent, those who believe in the birth and life of Jesus Christ gather together to celebrate His coming, and churches will read from the Gospels, directly referring Old Testament prophecies as being fulfilled at Christmas. One of the most familiar prophecies is found in Micah chapter 5 verse 2, which predicts that the Messiah will come from Bethlehem, which is confirmed by Jesus' birth in Bethlehem by Matthew and Luke in Matthew chapter 2 verses 1 to 6 and Luke chapter 2 verses 1 to 7. The Christmas child didn't just come and set up a kingdom to demonstrate his great power over the people of the world. Rather, he came in humility, lived in obscurity, and died in obedience to the will of his Father for an unimaginable purpose. We are reminded in Philippians chapter 2 verses 8 to 11 that he took the form of a bondservant and being found in appearance as a man, humbled himself and became obedient to the point of death, even the death of the cross. It was the Father's will that Christ would come into this world, live out a perfect life, and die in our stead. Knowing this should make us realize we have value to God. In Psalms 144, verses 3 and 4, David has rightly questioned, "What is man that you are mindful of him?" Coming back, Micah chapter 5, verses 1 to 4 predicts a future ruler from Bethlehem, a descendant of David, who will bring peace and protection to his people, Israel. The passage describes a time of siege and hardship for Israel that will end with the birth of this new leader, who will shepherd and deliver his flock from their enemies. The prophecy in Micah chapter 5 verse 2 states, "But you, Bethlehem Ephrathah, though you are small among the clans of Judah, out of you will come for me one who will be ruler over Israel, whose origins are from of old, from ancient times." According to what was predicted, the ruler of Israel will come from this small town, a prophecy that Christians believe was fulfilled by the birth of Jesus in Bethlehem, as documented in the Gospels of Matthew and Luke that he was born in Bethlehem. This verse is considered a key messianic prophecy, highlighting both the human lineage of Messiah through Bethlehem and his divine eternal nature. This passage reminds us to put our hope and fulfillment in God's ancient covenant, which is secure and reliable, like how the prophecy points to Jesus' birth in Bethlehem, a small and seemingly insignificant town. God uses the weak and humble to accomplish His purpose. We also see from the portion of Micah chapter 5 that Jesus is the shepherd king who will rule with strength and majesty, offering a security that no other kingdom can provide. Lastly, I would like to state that for all Christians, this is the fulfilled promise of the Prince of Peace, born at Christmas, who delivers from sin and offers eternal life. So during this Advent season, let us strive to put away the nature of rebellion as well as the self-serving attitudes. Instead, adopt the nature of giving to others in the same way God gave His Son for the sake of others. May God bless us all through this meditation. Thank you.